As we all know that the courts are the only constitutional bodies which protects the law and punish the people who goes against that. But what if court itself goes against the constitution and issues the punishment which are very harsh than the crime committed by the person, and who will protect the law? That is the pardoning power of president, by which the president can free a person from the punishment given by court and correct the order of it. And this power is granted by Article 72 of Constitution, and it can be used when the punishment or sentence is for an offence against the union law or when a punishment is a death penalty. And this pardoning power of president is only executive power which is independent of judiciary. And let's see pardoning power of president. Pardon, which removes the punishment given by court and also protects the person from the early declaration of guilty without any evidence. Commutation, which substitutes one form of punishment with a lighter form. For example, a death sentence can be changed into rigorous imprisonment, which in turn can be changed into simple imprisonment. Remission, it implies reducing the period of imprisonment given by court but not changing its character. For example, a punishment of rigorous imprisonment of 2 years can be changed into 1 year of rigorous punishment. Respite, it denotes giving a lesser punishment in the place of original punishment given by court due to some specific factors such as physical disability of a person or when a pregnant woman is offender. For example, when a pregnant woman is awarded 14 years of imprisonment by the court, that can be changed into 2 years of imprisonment based on the severity of the issue. Reprieve, it gives a stay on the execution of the sentence, especially on the death penalty for a temporary period. For example, if a person is awarded by death penalty on the 2nd June and the court ordered that the punishment must be implemented on the next day, that is June 3rd, then the president can give stay on this punishment, which allows a person to have time to seek reduction or cancel the punishment by the president. Under Article 161 of Indian Constitution, the governor can also enjoy pardoning powers. That is, he can reduce, substitute, postpone a punishment as president does. But the pardoning power of governor differ from that of the president in this case, that when a punishment is issued by a military court, the governor can't use the power of pardon as a president do. A governor cannot cancel a death penalty like a president, but governor can reduce, suspend and remit a death penalty, as this is the only place where Supreme Court of India cannot question the decisions made by executive. It examined the pardoning power of president under different cases and laid down the following principles. They are that the president can examine the evidence afresh and take a decision differ from the decision taken by the court. And president can only use these pardon powers by the advice of Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. A person who approaches the president on the matter of death penalty has no right to get oral hearing by the president, and there is no need to give any explanations on his decision. The Supreme Court can't make any guidelines on the pardon powers. That means no one can question the decision of president on these matters. But the power of president is subjected to judicial review when the presidential decision is irrational or modified. Unlike Indian president, American president has absolute powers, that is, his decision can't be questioned or blocked by the court. In case of misuse, he should be impeached, but there will be no judicial review on it. Like, share and subscribe.